Okay, what are you doing, David?
I'm making a hole bigger in the fountain.
So what are you using to do that?
The grinding wheel on the drill bit. And we'll see how well it works. It's working so far. It's slow, but it's working.
Okay. Here's the fountain. This is Daddy's. And it was missing the bowl. There's the top, the pineapple. You see where the tubing is there. And we found this at the plaster shack, whatever, today, and it seemed to work well to have the bowls for the water. And we had an old pump here, pump from one of the fountains at the old house. And so David's working on this, trying to get it ready. And he dug out, you can see this. So there'll be a bed going in here, some grasses, some flowers, whatever, but that's where the water fountain will be placed. This is all going to be dug out too, if you can see, like, this to the fence. So that's all going to be gone too, but he started here so he could work on the fountain. And then he's going to run electrical. So when he's ready to do that, we'll come back and do another video to see how he's going to run the wiring, that way the pump to get over here to the house. So we'll come back and do that later, and you can see the whole thing when it's finally working. David, anything else you want to add? Okay, he says no.